Meaning of hydrofoil.
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 Hydrofoil. A hydrofoil is a type of boat or watercraft that utilizes underwater wings, or foils, to lift the hull of the vessel out of the water and reduce drag. This allows the hydrofoil to travel at faster speeds with less energy input. The foils are typically shaped like airplane wings and work by creating lift as the boat moves forward. Hydrofoils are commonly used for recreational activities such as sailing, as well as for military and commercial applications. They have been around since the early 1900s and continue to be improved upon with modern technology.